Authentic, dynamic, straightforward. Korea is one of the most genuine places in the world. You know exactly what you're going to get. When dental clinic owners Dr. Kwang Bung Park and Dr. Kyung Ho Ryu met for the first time in 1992, they bonded over a passion for minimally invasive treatment that could help patients live their best lives with lifetime smiles. And so the two dental professionals launched the Mir Dental Hospital Network. The network now has 18 dental hospitals across Korea. After their early success with the network, Dr. Ryu, whose first clinic was the Metro Clinic, and Dr. Park, whose first clinic was the Gawoo-jung Clinic, were inspired to launch a groundbreaking and genuine dental implants company. MegaGen was born. The MegaGen Implant factory in Daegu is the biggest in the world. The company has hundreds of employees who enjoy a culture shaped by the passion of the founders, and it now sells more than 1 million implants a year across more than 100 countries throughout the world. Everything MegaGen does is driven by that early vision of Dr. Park and Dr. Ryu. MegaGen implants and systems are not led by engineers. They are conceived and continually improved by doctors, from clinical need, from the requirements of daily practice. But MegaGen does not stop at providing exceptional implants. It gives doctors everything they need to give the most efficient, effective surgery. MegaGen is the leader in biologically driven implants with minimally invasive surgery. The AnyRidge implant system allows immediate and early loading, as well as immediate implantation after extraction. Clinicians can also manage initial stability, even on soft bone and on fresh extraction socket. And the R2 Gate diagnostic software and R2 Studio identifies the best option for implant treatment, makes it easier for doctors to create a precise treatment plan, and gives them the option to deliver the treatment guide, implants, and temporary prosthetics at the same time. From that first humble conversation all those years ago, the founders of MegaGen have gone on to create the ultimate total implant solution. MegaGen is the total healthcare innovator, and it never stops innovating. So more and more clinicians and DSOs across Europe and across the world are discovering and embracing the MegaGen way for lifetime smiles.